In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace how to link pages, working with hyperlinks. By the end, you'll know how to create a clean internal link, organize where that linked page lives in your navigation, fine-tune page settings, and publish your changes. Start on your site dashboard and open your website. From the main panel, go to Pages. This is where you manage your site structure and all your content. Open the Contact Us page so we can add a link inside the page content. Enter Edit mode, click into the text block, and highlight the words you want to turn into a link. Click the link icon that appears in the text toolbar. In the link options, choose Page, then select your home page as the destination. This creates an internal hyperlink that takes visitors straight to that page. If you ever need to link to an external site, you can switch to web address and paste a URL, but for this tutorial, we're keeping it internal. Apply the link, then save the page so your changes are stored. Next, look at the Pages panel again and find the sections for hidden navigation or not linked. These sections hold pages that you don't want in your main menu, but still want accessible through links. If the page you're linking to should not appear in the top navigation, keep it in Not Linked. If it belongs in the main menu, drag it up into your primary navigation. You can rename how a page appears in menus by opening the page settings and updating its navigation title. While you're in page settings, take a moment to review the tabs. In navigation, confirm the page title that displays in your menu. In SEO, add an SEO title and description so search engines understand the page. In social image, choose a thumbnail that looks good when the page is shared. In advanced, you'll find options for custom code or header settings if you use them. When you're done, save your changes. Return to your website view and head to the home page to test the link you created on Contact Us. Click it, and confirm it routes exactly where you expect. If anything looks off, go back into the page editor, highlight the text, and adjust the link target. When everything looks good, publish your site. Publishing pushes the new link and any navigation changes live, so visitors see them immediately. That's it. Linking pages in Squarespace is as simple as editing your text, selecting the correct destination, organizing the page in Not Linked or your main navigation, reviewing settings, and publishing.